Hello guys, now we will um, uh, we will roll an eye. Let's go. There's one more guys. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait guys. Okay, now let's go. First, draw a circle and like a few squares in it, and also and that does happen everywhere or whatever, and like that and that, and like those, a bit of these, a bit of this. Wait a minute, let me just cook. And yeah, if you want to learn drawings like this, please guys, like and subscribe, whatever. First you have to color this like that, and like here, around here, and fill up those white places, and yeah, now just we have to do this, and it should be like this, I think. Whatever. Now we should like just wait, I ruined everything. Are you serious? Okay, not bad. Now like just draw like these lines right here, and also right here, like that, and then you have to actually make these lines like this, and here, and right here, right here, and should be right here. Then do this. Oh my. Okay. And like that, right here, do like this, and right here. Wow, it's so good. Whatever, and just a bit shading right here, and right here, like that, and then take out this and that, and here a bit, and then what's next? This is the thing, and now I'm just have to just color this right here. That was not useful. That's why I colored it. Now, add a bit coloring to it. Okay. Now I have the blue pen. And here bits like that. And here. And like that. Here. Here. And here. 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 And then, and bye guys. Oh yeah.